So I'm going to be embedding these on top. They're the mini versions of the large pumpkins I made. I have 3 different varieties. I'm basically just going to embed them in a batch of soap that I added vanilla bean, crushed vanilla or ground vanilla bean to, and white, because this fragrance will discolor brown. So I'm hoping to kind of mitigate some of that brown. So it'll be brown, but hopefully a lighter brown as opposed to a dark brown. Because oh, the joy of making the fall soaps. So many scents that discolor brown. So this is another version, and that's another version of the pumpkins that I made. So I'm just gonna go ahead and embed these into the soap. Look at that cute pumpkin. This will get a little bit darker. Little pumpkins on top. It's simple but cute. Vanilla specks, ground vanilla in there to give it the speckle look. I love it. That one tilted a little. I had a little extra pumpkin, so I put 2 in for, there's like, I don't know, 3 or 4 bars that have 2. I love it. I wouldn't have mind putting 2 pumpkins throughout the whole thing, but it's a lot of work to make all these pumpkins. Oh, look at it. It's just simple but adorable. I have a 3rd pumpkin design, but I believe it is in the other loaf. I'll try and take a video of that one too. Let me know what you think. I think it's just simple and cute, and it smells so good. And this is the other pumpkin design. So there are 3 different pumpkin shapes. The flatter one, the kind of tall, and then the tall and, I guess, bulkier. I don't even know how to describe it. But yeah, Oh, I really like these. I'm so pleased with them.